Guys, welcome to another fresh video of my channel, and in this video I will talk about Google. So what is that? I will talk about don't search these 10 things on Google to stay safe. We are always searching something on Google and we did not know that thing, and we are always searching that what we need for, and I will talk about don't search these 10 things which I will talk about on Google to stay safe. So here you can see, first is avoid searching for your bank's online banking website on Google. It is highly advisable not to do a Google search to find your bank's online banking website unless you know the exact official URL. So what will happen if you search that, and you will get another URL and you will go to that and you will put your personal information in that, so you can lost your information with the help of with that process. So don't search your bank's official banking online banking website if you did not know the exact website name. Okay, and at second, never search for customer care numbers of companies on Google. So there are different customer care numbers, and please don't search that on Google. Perhaps you will get wrong information from Google, and then you will call in that number and you will reveal your personal information by sharing some help you needed from that, and you will lost your information with the help of this. So don't search for customer care numbers on Google. And next, never search apps and software in Google to download them. For mobile apps, always search from official app stores like Google Play Store or for iPhone App Store. Searching apps on Google might lead to fake app installation with malware content. So you will download from Google searching, and then you will get some app filled with virus, and that may damage your phone or that may damage your device. So don't do that. And the most, here you can see, never search for medicines or medicinal symptoms on Google. So this is the most important thing that you need to know about. It is highly advisable not to skip the doctor and rely on Google search information to know about a disease while you are sick. Also, it is dangerous to buy medicines based on the information you find on Google. So please don't do this, and you will always go to the doctor if you have some problem. Don't be your own doctor with the help of Google. And always avoid searching for serious advice and guide on personal finances and stock market. So like health, personal finance is unique for each. There can never be one investment plan that will make everyone rich. So avoid taking advice from Google search results while investing. So don't invest by searching on Google. And government websites are easy scam targets. Avoid searching for them on Google. Like banking websites, government websites like municipality tax, hospitals, etc. are prime targets of scammers, as it is difficult to identify which website is original. Always option to directly visit any particular government website instead of searching for it on Google. So go to the website or official website directly. Don't search this on Google. Perhaps you may copy your URLs and you can save that on Chrome. Never search for social media websites on Google to log in. It is always advisable to access social media accounts by directly typing the URL in the address box of your browser, instead searching for the login page on Google, as this might lead to phishing. So direct put the URL and log in from there. Don't search in Google for that. Okay, don't search the URL and then going for avoid searching for e-commerce website or offers on Google. Fake web pages or so-called offers on e-commerce website have flooded Google search. This is another classic scam in which people are lured and attack deals to click on malicious website to steal their online banking login details. So don't fake web pages, and avoid searching for e-commerce website or offers on Google. So don't do this. And never search for free antivirus apps or software on Google. Avoid searching for antivirus apps or software on Google, as there are scores of fake products out there and it becomes difficult to identify the original one. So avoid searching for antivirus apps. So you can download this from Play Store, App Store, and don't search from, and you will get some malicious apps that will steal your data. So don't install that. Avoid searching for coupon codes on Google to get discounts. if you get a coupon code for discount on shopping there, it's fine, else don't go out hunting for it on Google, as you might land on fake websites which might sell fake coupons to you at a cheap price and then steal your banking details. So if you avoid searching for coupon codes on Google to get discounts, if you get a coupon code discount on shopping, so please don't search this, and they will give you a coupon and then they will steal your banking data, and with the help of this your money will be gone. So don't do this, please. And these are the 10 things, please don't search in Google, and so you need to follow this. So if you want to stay safe, so you need to search Google always, but please don't search these 10 things on Google, and I told you, and you have to follow those rules. Okay, so this is the video, and if you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get interesting videos like this, and share this with your friends to know them about these things that they will also follow to stay safe, and you stay safe and help others to stay safe.